Memberships. Memberships are a way for you to show your support for this channel. There's going to be a new join button down below, and when you select that button, you'll have access to certain perks available to just members only. Non-members will still continue to enjoy everything they've enjoyed on this channel to date without any change. Now, there are two levels of support. One is your primary level of membership, in which you'll have access to color-coded loyalty badges. Length of membership will determine the color of the badge. You'll have access to a growing list of special emojis that you can use when you're in the comment section. You will have early access to all newly uploaded videos. Usually I'll upload a video a day or so before I publish it, and there are times in which I've had videos uploaded 2 to 3 weeks before they were published. So you'll have access to all of those early videos. There's also going to be a special shout out in the video for those new members, or the next available video, which I'll give you that shout out, and hope you enjoy that. Now there's a secondary level that's still pretty much in the works, in which case you'll have access to all of the perks that are available in the primary level, but you'll also have access to 2 dedicated 30-minute streams per month just for members of the primary level. And you'll also have access to any, well, let's just say back behind the scenes videos, blooper reels and all of that. Again, that's pretty much developing. So again, just wanted to give you a little opportunity to find out what the channel is now presenting. Hope you enjoy and hope you become a member.